Our planet holds countless mysteries, each one more intriguing than the last. Buried beneath layers of time, ancient secrets whisper tales of forgotten civilizations, waiting patiently to be uncovered. These echoes of the past tantalize us, urging us to unearth their stories, to piece together the fragments of history. Few discoveries are as captivating as those hidden beneath our feet, where entire worlds lie concealed in darkness. Underground cities, carved from the earth itself, offer a glimpse into the lives and ingenuity of those who came before us, showcasing their architectural prowess and survival instincts. Join me as we delve into the heart of Turkey, where a recent discovery has shaken the foundations of archaeology, promising to rewrite history books. Our journey begins in Cappadocia, a region renowned for its surreal landscapes and subterranean cities, where the past and present intertwine. Here, the earth breathes history, and beneath its surface lies Derinkuyu, a testament to the resourcefulness and ingenuity of ancient people. Derinkuyu, with its sprawling network of tunnels and chambers, has long held the title of the largest known underground city, a marvel of ancient engineering. But whispers on the wind hint at a new discovery, one that could redefine our understanding of the past, revealing secrets long buried and forgotten. Imagine descending into the earth, the air growing cooler, the sunlight fading behind you. The ground beneath your feet feels ancient, whispering secrets of a time long past. You enter a world sculpted by human hands, a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers extending deep into the earth's embrace. Each passageway tells a story of survival, ingenuity, and the human spirit's unyielding quest for safety. This is Derinkuyu, a marvel of ancient engineering and a testament to human resilience. Hidden beneath the surface, it stands as a silent witness to the ingenuity of its creators. This subterranean city, capable of sheltering an estimated 20,000 people, is a testament to the ingenuity of the Phrygians, who are believed to have begun its construction around the 8th century BCE. It is a sprawling network that showcases their advanced understanding of architecture and community planning. Derinkuyu's intricate network of tunnels and chambers house living spaces, stables, kitchens, and even a church. These spaces were meticulously designed to support a thriving community, hidden away from the dangers above. Ventilation shafts, some extending over 180 feet, brought fresh air deep into the city's heart. These shafts were crucial for maintaining a livable environment, ensuring that the air remained fresh and breathable. Heavy stone doors, capable of being sealed from within, protected its inhabitants from outside threats. These doors were not just barriers, but symbols of security and resilience. For centuries, Derinkuyu provided refuge from invaders and persecution, a hidden world where life continued beneath the surface. It was a sanctuary, a place where people could live, work, and worship in safety, away from the turmoil above. Our story now takes us to Midyat, a town in Turkey's Mardin province. Here, beneath the bustle of modern life, destiny had a surprise in store. During a routine renovation project in the city's historic district, workers stumbled upon an entrance to what seemed like an impossible void, an emptiness that whispered of forgotten times. This chance encounter would soon send ripples through the archaeological community, for it hinted at a discovery that could overshadow even Derinkuyu. The workers, initially bewildered by their find, alerted local authorities. What they had uncovered was no ordinary basement or storage space. It was the gateway to a vast subterranean complex, an underground city hidden for centuries beneath the streets of Midyat. The news spread like wildfire, igniting the imaginations of archaeologists and historians worldwide. As archaeologists began their meticulous work, the true scale of the discovery began to emerge. Initial explorations revealed a labyrinth of tunnels and chambers, their darkness hinting at secrets waiting to be unveiled. Early estimates suggested that this subterranean city could be even larger than Derinkuyu, potentially dwarfing its predecessor in both size and complexity. The very earth seemed to whisper tales of a civilization that had vanished beneath its surface. Carbon dating of artifacts discovered within the city's depths pointed towards an age that rivaled, perhaps even surpassed, that of Derinkuyu. The craftsmanship displayed in the city's construction spoke of a people well versed in subterranean architecture, capable of creating a self-sufficient world beneath the earth. How many souls had sought refuge within these walls? What stories did these silent chambers hold? The mystery was only beginning to unfold. Section 5. Secrets carved in stone, unraveling the purpose. Why would a civilization choose to carve its existence into the earth itself? What could have driven them to undertake such a monumental task, creating hidden worlds beneath our feet? What drove them to create these hidden worlds beneath our feet? Was it sheer necessity or something more profound? Theories abound, each attempting to shed light on the motivations behind the construction of this subterranean metropolis. Some suggest it was a strategic move, while others propose more spiritual reasons. Some experts speculate that the city served as a refuge from invaders, a fortress of safety in times of peril, a safe haven in times of conflict. This underground sanctuary could have provided protection and a sense of security. Others believe it may have been a sanctuary for those facing religious persecution, a place where beliefs could be practiced in secret, away from prying eyes. A place where beliefs could be practiced in secret. This theory suggests a community bound by faith, seeking solace and freedom. Adding to the enigma, the city's intricate network of tunnels and chambers suggests a level of social organization and planning rarely seen in ancient settlements. This complexity hints at a highly coordinated effort. Could this have been a center of trade, a hidden hub of commerce operating beneath the surface? The artifacts found suggest bustling activity, a hidden hub of commerce operating beneath the surface. The underground markets could have been thriving with trade and exchange. Or does its existence point towards a more mysterious purpose, one that remains elusive and enigmatic, one lost to the sands of time? The true purpose of this underground marvel may forever remain a mystery. The answers, shrouded in the mists of history, beckon us to delve deeper. As we continue to explore, we may one day uncover the secrets carved in stone. Section 6. Echoes of the past subterranean cities across the globe. The discovery in Midyat is not an isolated incident. Across our planet, from the depths of Turkey to the highlands of China, subterranean cities whisper tales of ancient ingenuity and survival. In China, the Guyaju caves, carved into the steep cliffs of the Yellow River Valley, housed an entire community for centuries. In France, the underground city of Naos provided refuge during times of war, its network of tunnels extending for miles beneath the Picardy region. These subterranean sanctuaries, each with its own story to tell, highlight a universal human instinct, the desire for safety, for a place of refuge in a world often defined by uncertainty. They remind us that the earth itself has often provided solace and protection, a testament to the enduring bond between humanity and the natural world. Section 7. A new chapter in archaeology rewriting history's narrative. The discovery of the Midyat underground city sends shockwaves through the archaeological community. It challenges our understanding of ancient civilizations and their capabilities, urging us to re-examine our assumptions about the past. Could there be other such cities, hidden beneath our feet, waiting to be discovered? Could these subterranean worlds rewrite our understanding of history? The implications are vast. Each artifact unearthed, each inscription deciphered, has the potential to reshape our knowledge of ancient trade routes, cultural practices, and societal structures. The Midyat discovery is not merely the unearthing of an ancient city, it is the opening of a window into a forgotten chapter of human history. Section 8. Unveiling the mysteries, questions yet to be answered. As we delve deeper into the heart of this subterranean city, more questions arise than answers. Who were the people who built this hidden world? What was their daily life like, and what ultimately led to their disappearance? Did they leave behind clues hidden within the city's depths that could unlock the secrets of their existence? The search for answers is just beginning. Archaeologists and historians face a monumental task: to carefully excavate, analyze, and interpret the secrets held within these ancient walls. Their work holds the promise of unlocking a lost chapter of human history, of shedding light on a civilization that thrived in the shadows, leaving behind a legacy shrouded in mystery. Section 9. Join the exploration, what lies hidden beneath our feet. The discovery of the Midyat underground city serves as a powerful reminder that our planet still holds countless secrets. It ignites our imaginations and fuels our curiosity, urging us to explore the unknown, to delve into the mysteries that lie hidden beneath our feet. What other wonders might be waiting to be unearthed? What other chapters of history are yet to be written? Join me, fellow explorers, as we continue to unravel the enigmas of the past. Share your thoughts, your theories, your dreams of discovery, for in the pursuit of knowledge and understanding we embark on a journey that knows no bounds, a journey that leads us ever deeper into the heart of our shared human story.